Tricky words. Tricky words cannot be sounded out. Children should learn these words by sight. That's why we call these words sight words. R. R is a tricky word. The cats are playing. All. All the flowers are blooming. Next tricky word, you. You are very strong. Okay, can you show you're strong like this, boys? Great. Next tricky word, your. Your book is on the shelf. Come. Come here and see the butterfly. Wow, it's a very beautiful butterfly. Some balls are big and some are small. Here. My mom is here. Meet her mom. Next tricky word, there. There is a rainbow in the sky. They built a snowman. Said. The doctor said, take your medicine. So students, today we have done 10 tricky words. So let's revise all these tricky words. Are, on, you, your, come, some, here, there, they, said. These all are tricky words that cannot be sounded out. You have to learn these words by sight. So practice these words on a daily basis. I hope this video is fruitful for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.